stretching over a huge portion of the South American continent, the world's largest and most biodiverse rainforest is chock full of surprises. As mysterious as it is breathtaking, the Amazon remains one of the most written about and studied ecosystems on the Earth. Here are 10 animals that can be found here. Number 1. Jaguar. Cheetah spots are to the plains of Africa as jaguar spots are to the jungle of South America. Jaguar has an average lifespan of 12 to 15 years in the jungle. Many travelers count their lucky stars in eager anticipation of seeing this classic jungle icon. You will need to travel pretty deep into the jungle for a good chance at seeing a jaguar. Number 2. Giant river otter. The giant river otters, found in the Amazon, are the largest otters in the world. With some reaching up to 5.6 feet, 1.7 meters, these otters swim through the Amazonian rivers and lakes using their strong tails and webbed feet. The longest documented giant otter lifespan in the wild is 8 years. In captivity, this may increase to 17, with an unconfirmed record of 19. Giant river otters are very vocal, with at least 22 distinct sounds in their vocabulary. Number 3. Red howler monkey. The red howler monkeys can be heard by most travelers visiting the Peruvian jungle. These animals live up to 25 years in the wild. The males weight 5.4 to 9 kilograms, while females weight 4.2 to 7 kilograms. It has a long prehensile tail of 49 to 75 centimeters. Their loud roars can be heard up to 3 miles or 5 kilometers away. There's about a 50% chance to see these monkeys at our top Puerto Maldonado jungle lodges, with a greater chance the deeper you get into the jungle. Number 4. Capybara. A rather docile rodent, capybaras look like giant guinea pigs. They live in the densely forested areas of South America near bodies of freshwater. Even though their average life expectancy is 8 to 10 years, they mostly survive only up to 4 years. Capybaras are surprisingly great swimmers and can hold their breath for up to 5 minutes. These jungle animals are actually the largest rodent in the world today, about 4 feet long and 2 feet tall by its size. Number 5. Black-capped squirrel monkey. The black-capped squirrel monkey is found in the Peruvian, Brazilian, and Bolivian Amazon. They weigh between 365 and 1135 grams and measure, from the head to the base of the tail, between 225 and 370 millimeters. On average, black squirrel monkeys live up to 15 years in their natural habitat. They live in female-dominated groups with about 40 to 75 monkeys. Unlike many other monkeys that use their tail to climb, these squirrel monkeys typically use their tail for balance. Number 6. Sloth. Sloths are known as perezosos locally, meaning lazy in Spanish. Both the two-toed and three-toed sloths live in the Amazon. Sloths can be 60 to 80 centimeters long and, depending on the species, weigh from 7.9 to 17.0 pounds. Two-toed sloths are slightly larger. Sloths have long limbs and rounded heads with tiny ears. Three-toed sloths also have stubby tails about 5 to 6 centimeters long. Sloths in the wild typically live for 20 years. If you are really lucky, there is a chance of seeing them in the wild during excursions at Puerto Maldonado jungle lodges. Number 7. Collared anteater. While several anteater species call the Americas home, the collared anteater is unique to South America. Much smaller than the giant anteaters, they are able to climb trees in search of ants, termites, or other food. Their lifespan is 14 years in the wild. It has a head and body length ranging from 34 to 88 centimeters and a prehensile tail 37 to 67 centimeters long. Adults weigh from 3.3 to 18.5 pounds, with no significant difference in size between males and females. With tongues about 15 inches long, these anteaters can catch insects easily. Number 8. Pink river dolphin. Pink river dolphins live in the Amazon River and its tributaries. While the babies are dark gray, the adult dolphins appear a light shade of pink. A full-grown dolphin can grow up to 9 feet or 2.7 meters long, weigh up to 400 pounds or 181 kilograms, and live to 30 years old. To see these incredible dolphins for yourself, consider a stay at an Iquitos Jungle Lodge or taking a luxury river cruise. Number 9. Puma. Behold a true jungle legend, the puma. With its sleek build and carnivorous ways, fierce is an appropriate adjective to characterize these rainforest cats. Adult males are around 2.4 meters long from nose to tail tip, and females average 2.05 meters, with overall ranges between 1.50 to 2.75 meters nose to tail in general. Of this length, the tail typically accounts for 63 to 95 centimeters. These animal has an average lifespan of 8 to 13 years in its natural habitat. Number 10. Bearded Emperor Tamarin. The bearded emperor tamarin gives new meaning to the phrase monkeying around. The animal reaches a length of 23-26 centimeters plus a 35-41.5 centimeters long tail. It weighs approximately 500 grams. These animal can live up to 20 years in the jungle. With their distinct white mustache and beard, this primate lives with a small, extended family of between 4 and 15 members. Bearded emperor tamarins see the world in only 2 colors, helping detect predators, even the ones with the best camouflage.